Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening wherever you're watching this video from. This is Wema Diaries and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Please subscribe, share and comment to my videos, and thank you so much for my returning subscribers. And in case you come across this video, please don't forget to subscribe. In case you are new to this video, you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your families and friends, and it will be so, I'll be so much grateful for that guys. So today I want us to learn something today. I want us to make a I want us to make a bracelet together step by step. So we're gonna use this size. We're gonna use this bands here. This is what we're gonna do. Here we start this. This is the simple bracelet, the easiest bracelet to make. Anybody can do this. All you need is a string and the beads of your size. Any size you want, you can use it to make a bracelet. So guys, I'm making the size of my hand. So what I will do, I will just have to see if it fits me already. And this one, it fits me, you see. Then we go tie it. I'm making a lock. This is what we will do. We'll do like this: 1, 2, 3. And then we pull it together. We make another loop up here, then we do this. One, 2, 3. Make sure it is so tight so that it don't break. You're not using a glue to stick it, so just have to make sure it is so tight so that it don't break. And there we are now. So we will cut this one. I don't have scissors, so I'm using these ones. And here is our bracelet now, as you can see. So guys, you can make as many as you want according to the size you want, using the size of beads you want. You can see we can do this. You see guys, this is how I like this way, but you can use this size as well. It looks good. See, like this. It really looks good, right guys? go. You can just come up with any idea. Huh? You can come up with any idea you want. Look at it, guys. And if you want like a necklace, you make a longer one, like this one. Huh? Then you do this. There you go. Huh? How is it? How does it look, guys? It's beautiful, right? Yeah, that is it, guys. So if you learned something from my video, please don't pass this video without subscribing, guys. Please just press that button, and I will be so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for coming back to my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you, guys. Bye.